Welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about getting your SHRM CP or SHRM SCP certification but haven't started yet, good news. March is an excellent time to dive into your study journey. You've still got plenty of time to prepare for the upcoming testing windows, and if you start now, you'll set yourself up for success without feeling rushed. Today, we're going to break down exactly how to start your SHRM study journey in March, including key steps, study strategies, and tips to keep you on track. Let's get into it. The first step is setting up a realistic study timeline. If you're planning to take the exam in the next 3 to 6 months, March is the perfect time to create a structured study plan. Look at the SHRM exam schedule and decide which testing window works best for you. Most candidates need at least 8 to 12 weeks to prepare thoroughly, so choose an exam date that gives you enough time to study but also keeps you accountable. Once you've selected your exam date, break your study plan into manageable phases. A good structure looks something like this. Weeks 1 to 2. Familiarize yourself with the SHRM body of competency and knowledge, and take a diagnostic test to assess your strengths and weaknesses. Weeks 3 to 6. Deep dive into key topics like HR competencies, people strategies, and workplace policies. Weeks 7 to 10. Focus on HR-specific laws, case studies, and application-based questions. Final weeks. Take full-length practice tests, review your weak areas, and refine your test-taking strategy. Not all study materials are created equal, so you'll want to invest in the right resources. If you're just getting started in March, here are the best study tools to consider. SHRM Learning System. This is the official study material and aligns directly with the exam content. Third-party study guides. Materials from trusted sources like Exam Edge can supplement your learning. Practice exams. Taking practice tests regularly helps you gauge your progress and get familiar with the question format. Flashcards and study groups. If you prefer interactive learning, join a study group or use flashcards for key HR concepts. March is also a great time to sign up for online courses or webinars that focus on SHRM exam prep. Some of these courses offer guided lessons and structured schedules that can help keep you accountable. Exam Edge specializes in realistic online practice tests with detailed feedback for every question. This means you're not just memorizing answers, you're actually mastering the material, which is key to acing your exam. One of their most popular categories is human resources, offering bundles of 1, 5, 10, or even 15 practice tests for certifications like the SHRM CP and PHR. Personally, I choose the 10 or 15 test bundle. You get more questions for a better rate and even bonus freebies. What sets them apart for me is the unlimited access to unique questions. With over 1,300 for the SHRM CP alone, you'll be well prepared and confident for exam day. If you're interested in Exam Edge, be sure to check out the links below and use the code Shirley10 at checkout for 10% off your order. Happy studying! A successful study journey starts with consistency. In March, commit to a weekly study routine that fits into your lifestyle. If you work full-time, aim for at least 5 to 7 hours per week of focused study time. That could be broken down into 1 to 2 hours per day on weekdays, reviewing materials, reading, or watching videos. Longer study sessions on weekends, practicing case studies or taking mock exams. Find what works best for you and stick to it. A steady, disciplined approach will keep you from cramming at the last minute. The The SHRM exam is not just about memorization, it's about application. One of the best ways to prepare in March is to practice situational judgment questions that reflect real workplace scenarios. These are the types of questions that test your ability to apply HR principles in practical situations. Try to answer at least 20 to 30 practice questions per study session and review the explanations for any incorrect answers. This will help you understand SHRM's reasoning and improve your test-taking confidence. Since March is a fresh start, set clear goals and keep your motivation high. Here are a few ways to stay engaged. Track your progress. Use a planner or an app to track what you've studied. Join a study group. Engaging with others can make studying feel less isolating. Take breaks. Don't burn yourself out. Balance study time with relaxation. Reward yourself. Set small rewards for completing study milestones. Remember, studying for the SHRM exam is a marathon, not a sprint. The goal is steady progress, not perfection. If you're starting your SHRM study journey in March, you're in a great position to succeed. Set your exam date, gather the right materials, create a structured study plan, and stay consistent with your practice. Whether you're aiming for the SHRM CP or SCP, preparation is key, and you've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about where you are in your SHRM study journey. Let's keep each other accountable and motivated, and I'll see you in the next one.